If you think making soft, juicy gulab jamun at home is out of reach, let me change that for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make irresistible gulab jamun at home. No fuss and no stress. The dough is simple but powerful. I'm using milk powder and flour instead of khoya, and the secret is balancing them perfectly with just the right amount of cream. The ghee makes the gulab jamun soft and tender. Add the cream slowly and feel the dough. You'll know it's ready when it feels like Play-Doh. The syrup is thin so the gulab jamun soak up all the flavor. I add green cardamom, a pinch of saffron, a few drops of lime to clarify, and a tiny bit of rose water. Floral, aromatic, and perfectly sweet. Turn the heat off before you add the rose water. And look how clear the syrup is after adding the lime. Grease your hands with ghee while shaping to prevent the dough from sticking and create a smoother surface. Gentle pressure avoids cracks, but don't worry if a few appear, they'll still be delicious. If you like this simple approach to Indian cooking, then like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. We're frying at a low temperature between 300 and 325 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that the gulab jamuns are cooked from within and golden on the outside. Be gentle and stir the oil so that they cook evenly. Immediately immerse them in the lukewarm syrup so they absorb all that fragrant sweetness. An hour is usually enough, but waiting a little longer makes them even juicier. I love to garnish with the vibrant green of crushed pistachios. The edible gold leaf makes it extra special. And the dried rose petals echo the rose water in the syrup. For the full recipe and step-by-step guidance, join my Indian cooking community for free. You'll get this recipe and more, plus a space to explore techniques, share your results, and cook with confidence. I can't wait to see you there. One bite and you'll see soft, juicy, melt in your mouth perfection.
Good.